Want to make a photo collage or combine multiple photos on your iPhone quickly and easily? Here's how to do it. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now, tap Search Actions and search for Select Photos. Tap it. Then tap the arrow next to Select Photos and turn on Select Multiple. Next, tap Search Actions again and search for Combine Images. Tap it, then tap horizontally and change it to Inner Grid. Now, tap the little arrow next to Inner Grid and you can choose the spacing between each photo. I'm going with 10, but you can choose whatever you like. Next, tap Search Actions again, search for Save to Photos, and tap it. Your combined image will now be saved to your Photos app. Before we finish, tap the little arrow at the top and let's rename this shortcut. I'm going to call it Photo Collage. Now tap the arrow again or tap the share icon and select Add to Home Screen. Here, you can choose a color, a symbol, or even use your own image as the icon. Once you're happy with it, tap Add. And that's it. Now you'll have your own photo collage shortcut right on your home screen. From now on, whenever you want to create a collage, simply tap the shortcut, select the photos you want. I'm going to choose 4 for this example, then tap Done. And there you go. Your photo collage has been created and automatically saved to your Photos app. You can choose 4 photos, 6 photos, or even more. It's completely up to you. If you found this iPhone trick helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.